Control your devices with the Smart Outdoor Outlet. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Oittm Smart Outdoor Outlet. This was sent out to me by the company to review. You can pick this up online for $30, and I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look at this smart outlet. Some features of the outlets are that it is waterproof, remote control, voice control with Amazon, Alexa, and Google Assistant, scheduling, energy monitoring, and overload protection. The device came in this box, and it comes with an instructions manual. And it was also wrapped in this plastic. Here is just a product description and features that I mentioned earlier. The device has a plastic body and it feels well built. The power button is rubber and it's easy to press. Here's a view of the plug. The outlet has a silicone cover. This is rated for max power of 1875 watts, max current 15 amps, and rated voltage of 125 volts. Now I'll briefly walk through the setup. Download the Oittm Smart app. Register if you are a new user. Once you are registered, click on the plus sign to add a new device. Select Smart Plug. And at this point, make sure your device is plugged in. You will then be prompted to select your Wi-Fi network and enter your credentials so the device can sync with your network. Once it has connected, you will be able to edit the name and rename the outlet to your liking. This is how it will look on the main dashboard, and clicking on it will bring up the features. Now I'll demonstrate with this LED lamp plugged into the outlet. Here is the app with the main dashboard. Click the outlet and it will bring up the features. Press the button and it will turn green and the outlet will turn on. And you can see it's on now. Press the button again, it will turn gray and the light is off. It's very responsive. I see no delays. Here it is again, off and back on. On the bottom, you have the options to set a schedule, have a timer if you just want it on for a certain amount of time, and monitor electrical usage. And lastly, on the main screen, it will also allow you to turn it on and off by just pressing the button. On the bottom, you can edit your profile and change scenes. The Oittm Smart Outdoor Outlet. It's waterproof, you can control it remotely, and compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. A terrific smart outlet packed with many features. If you are looking to utilize smart home technology outdoors, this would be a good outlet to use. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.